How to fix Papers, Please crashing on Steam. First, go to the library, right-click on the game, open up the Properties window, and then go to Installed Files and click on this button to verify the integrity of game files. Wait for this process to finish. And once this is done, you want to go to the General tab, and under Launch Options, you can add this following command, -dx11, and then you can close out of this window. Now you will need to open up your browser, search for Redist, and then click on the first link. Now scroll down to the second table and then click on the 86 and the 64 version, both of them, download and install them. So when you're downloading and installing them, you might also find out that some of them are already installed. In that case, just click on the repair button to repair it. Now you can close out of this and open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA GPUs, you will need NVIDIA app. Go to the drivers section, and from here, select Game Ready driver and make sure to download and install the latest Game Ready driver. Now, once you're done, you will need to restart your computer. And once your system is restarted, just open up Steam as admin before launching the game. Right-click on Steam and run as admin. And that should fix the crashing issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.